Now that we have installed the homepage builder, we are going to go to the File Explorer area and we are going to navigate to our public folders and we are going to create a new folder. This folder is going to be used to store any files that you use within the solution. So this would be things like your logo and the background image that you may be using for your homepage builder. And recommended name would be to just call it homepage builder. Click OK, and we now have a homepage builder folder. The second step here is to create some security around it. So we will go to the edit option and we can leave the access group as everyone, but change the maintenance group to administrators. This will prevent other users from deleting this folder. And we click OK, and we now have our folders set up ready for a later step. Next, go to the settings screen in the top right hand corner. And when you first come into here, this is where you have the screen to configure your menus. What we are going to look to do now is that we have an option down the bottom here to install the KPI module. The KPI module comes packaged with the homepage builder, but it is not installed by default. So if you would like to utilize it, click the install KPI button and the installation will update. You then have the option, once it's installed, you can then enable the KPI module if you wish to use it. By enabling that and clicking save, if I now go back to the home screen, across the bottom you will now see there is now a bar across the bottom with an option to the right hand side. That is the KPI banner, which we will continue to configure in the future steps. Lastly, let's look at installing a license key. So back to the settings area, and if we now move to the About section, this will provide you information around the solution, its version, and what license key has been installed. Click the Update License key, and from this screen here, paste in the license key that you have been provided, and click Save, and then that will then authenticate your license, and you can then close the solution, and this will prevent this warning message from appearing across the top here.